In the beginning there was love, faith, and great foresight. In the beginning there was the light that shone upon a shed that became a house, a home that gave rise to dreams, emotions, smiles, where the future would be written. And today, this home has come down to us. So let us close our eyes and look. We will see youngsters picking up stones from the river and setting them into the refectory wall, partly as a game and partly to do their little bit. We will see them fill the corridors with joy, while Mama Margaret is trying to cook, clean and care for them all. We will see Don Bosco under the colonnade where he gave the good night, a final thought for the day for his boys. We will see him writing and praying in his room. We will see him giving a future to his youngsters, teaching them a trade, always in the vanguard of things. Imagining the Salesians with his first collaborators, we will see him loved in life and mourned at his death. We will see faith, devotion. We will touch this with our hands in the iconography, the objects, the donations. And we will see the time of Don Bosco, the 1800s, a time of conflict and change, but also of art, new technologies like photography. Here, from among these walls, the congregation and the great Salesian family went out to the whole world. This house and home is a journey amid faith and art, life and history, love and light. An ever-living light as providence that surprises one. So let us open our eyes to this light and enter. Welcome to the origins. Welcome to Casa Don Bosco.
Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Yesterday, 20th December, Deacon Hampurwa Tingan SDP was ordained priest by Bishop Victor Lingdor of Jowai Diocese in Meghalaya, India. The new priest belongs to the Salesian province of St. John Paul II, Shillong, and is the second priest to be ordained in the province. Father Hampurwa is an orphan from Safai village under Maukandeng parish. He is the first Salesian to be ordained from this little village. The ordination ceremony took place in the parish church following strict protocols imposed by the government. Only 100 participants were allowed, including priests, religious and the relatives of the newly ordained priests. Our Don Bosco Media Network team live-streamed the ordination ceremony for the benefit of those who could not join the event.
Hagagating pagarpon panumeksim bagod. But pada baro kibalawan sno lang nang step kisista but dibahi ngasem baro ngai keciput lay ketepang yaki dekat kibahi ngasem jom dikon ai lay ketepang dikon jingi amperwa meju badan ini mahe but baro kibalawan lang nang step
Kibadon saudong jungu usim ulo ong haunatan unoyatu lupa hapit set nga ngasyong hagaying ding keda henry kasenduk ublay kasyong hagaying jay te unatan ulo ong hausim ki le kabadon hagadok no jongpi namar utray udon lembat pi
me uba nakapercaya marian kami mamela uba ke baro akithe kine abakiskan mameke mabu pathomia hati kardan per yang dinombot nona bakarpan jokbo cumi uji sukres
Kecil nomor tujuh, udah dosa selesai punya kesma punya muslim, bagi selesai muslim yang melajir jong ubray.
Yang upara selesai dengan mawar sebagai, bad dengan bor umrim semua yang hi, bapit luk keluar berkentang yopai Kristen, bapit terwa yang jinnya haulai. Kedai jauh lagi, bahkan yang berubah kawasan berjaya. Nange, haulai upara bor Ramlah kemudian para Kristus bermaksud Rai melakukan kedua kedua kelentau cengi kam tamu di kuanti cengi bantrai lang berbor kum ketim hanong nurut balapha bantrai mentaka si kadai ru sim trai kapasau jong kani kepor adben bad kani ke sim trai kapasau laju khot yaka ke sim trai jong ka cengi kadang kita yo kapan pesan yang ini uplay ulai yang ini hadu kata-kata kadang kita baro nama kini kalau kapan cuna dia kapan lagi nak benda jompi
Bosco, Quetta, mourns the first bishop of the Quetta Apostolic Vicariate who passed away on the morning of 12 December 2020. Sri Lankan Jaffna Tamil origin missionary OMI religious Bishop Victor Nana Pragasam 1934 to 2020 was ordained priest in 1966 and since 1973 started his zealous, humble and committed missionary life in many different missions of Pakistan. The first ESO students of the Salesianos La Orotava School participate in an international project of classical astronomy with the intention of calculating the radius of the Earth with the superpower of mathematics. This initiative has been developed since last October together with the Faculty of Education of the University of La Laguna, the Cooperstown Graduate Program in ONEOTA, State University of New York, United States, and the National Research Institute of Astronomy and Geophysics and RIAG, Cairo, Aswan and Alexandria locations in Egypt. The EUSS Motorsport team has presented the new EM03 prototype with which they will participate in the Formula Student, one of the most prestigious automotive competitions in the world for students. The car is the evolution of the EM02 with which they competed in races last year. As a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, the new season does not yet have dates, but the team of 50 engineering students from the Escola Universitaria Salesiana de Sarria has worked intensively on the development of the new vehicle. In the context of the 50-year presence of the Salesians in Haiyan 1970 to 2020, the Salesian community and the Salesian family would like to thank God for these years and the church and society of the city from Haiyan your welcome and support. And on the morning of December 8, coinciding with the holiday of the Immaculate and the 179th anniversary of the start of the oratory of Don Bosco in the meeting with young Bartolomeo Garli, the opening act of the 50th anniversary of the Salesian presence of Haiyan 1970 to 2020. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.